अवांजी समातुन ताईं रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We begin with the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most kind. You are listening to the Voice of Sindh, a radio which disseminates the beauty of Sindh, the sorrows of Sindh, and the uniqueness of Sindh throughout the world, all over the globe, which is Radio Voice of Sindh London. And this is the weekly show of Radio Voice of Sindh London titled Indus Melodies. And this is me, Yasir Qazi, the host and the executive producer of this weekly show, Indus Melodies, and saying you welcome to the show. Assalamu alaikum, haq maujood, sat sri akal, namaskar, and welcome to the show. This is the 5th edition of season number 1 of Indus Melodies, and this is an English show focused on the beauty of Sindh, the beauty of Indus Valley civilization and its music, its art, its culture, its literature, its people, anthropology, archaeology, and etc., etc., etc. So, we meet every Saturday at 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time and 3:30 o'clock as per Indian Standard Time, 2 p.m. as per UAE Standard Time, and 11 o'clock in the morning as per UK Standard Time. This show is repeated at 10 o'clock at night as per Pakistan Standard Time and 6 o'clock in the evening as per UK Standard Time. This is Saturday, Safarul Muzaffar 15th and 3rd of October 2020, and as per Sindhi calendar, Bakrami calendar, this is the year 2077 and 18th of Asu the month. I welcome you all to the show, and as I told you that this is 15th of Safarul Muzaffar, and Safar al-Muzaffar, the second month of the Hijra calendar, and 14th, 15th and 16th of Safar al-Muzaffar are the days which are being celebrated as the annual Urs celebrations, the demise anniversary celebrations of Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, the greatest poet of Sindh as per Dayaram Gidumel, and as per the strength of his message, he is no doubt the greatest poet of Sindh, not only of his era but the eras after him and the times to come. So, the government of Sindh has decided not to celebrate the Urs celebrations, the official proceedings of the Urs celebrations of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, as these are carried out every year, but there are simple commemorations of some of the proceedings which are being carried out since yesterday, and this is officially the second day of Urs Mubarak. So, today's show is dedicated to Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, and this is the 277th Urs Mubarak of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, and let me share with you that Urs Mubarak is always celebrated, commemorated on the date of demise. And why do we celebrate the demise? Because the demise of saints and pious people is different from the death of ordinary people, because this is something, this is the venture, this is the event through which he meets his divine beloved. So let's start this special program with the voice of Faqir Abdul Ghafoor, who is singing Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai.
पुलछिनो गिरनार जो पिटण थियूं पिटीन सवें सोरठ जड़ियूं उभियूं तारीन चोटा चाहे रण हथ में सिर सिंगारो दीन बायूं बाराइन तेरा जरा तिरम गयो ला कंजियता तमार यार मने मोयो मंगना मुमन मोयो मंगना ओ मोयो मंगना मुमन मोयो मंगना कंजियता तमार मोयो मंगणा तुंहिंजी अतां मल्लह आए मंगणा मल्लह आए मंगणा गजी में गिरनोर मने मोयो मंगणा ओ गजी में गिरनोर मने मोयो मंगणा ओ मोयो मंगणा मूं मन मोयो मंगणा तुंहिंजे अतां तवार यार मने मोयो मंगणा तुंहिंजी अतां सिर जी सदाए छॾी तूं सिर जी सदा छॾी तूं ॼाईंदे जय पार मने मोयो मंगणा ओ ॼाईंदे जय पार मने मोयो मंगणा तुंहिंजी अतां तवार यार मने मोयो मंगणा तुंहिंजी अतां दोन दियाई दुहिरा दोन दियाई दुहिरा हजारे हजार मने मोयो मंगणा ओ हजारे हजार मने मोयो मंगणा तुंहिंजी अतां तवार यार मने मोयो मंगणा अदियूं शाह लतीफ़ चए लालो लाल लतीफ़ चए पसां प्रियन पार मने मोयो मंगणा ओ पसां प्रियन पार मने मोयो मंगणा ओ मोयो मंगणा मूं मन मोयो मंगणा ओ मोयो मंगणा मूं मन मोयो मंगणा तुंहिंजी अतां तवार यार मने मोयो मंगणा तुंहिंजी अतां
So, folks, we started with the voice of Faqir Abdul Ghafoor. Faqir Abdul Ghafoor late was a singer of the folk style of singing from Sindh, and he was just singing a melody from a particular chapter of Surat Rai Diyaj from the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. Every of the chapter of the poetry of Shah Latif is dedicated with the name of Sur, which means the melody, and it indicates that every of his chapter is based on any of the raga, the musical rules and regulations. So his poetry is based on the music. Faqir Abdul Ghafoor was actually singing a hamd, which means, as per the story told in this chapter, in this melody, Rai Diyaj, the sing addressing Bijal, the musician, the surundo player, says, "Your strings has taken away my conscience, and following your melody, I'm lost in an unknown valley of self-search." Folks, this is a symbolic expression where Rai Diyaj is the seeker and Bijal is the divine beloved. In the love of whom Rai Diyaj, the seeker, is ready to sacrifice for everything, for his own being even. You are listening to Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and this is a special edition on the 277th Urs celebrations, Melo celebrations of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, the greatest poet of Sindh and Sindhi language. after his demise, we are completing 277 years, almost 300 years, but still, this is the charisma, this is the magic of the poetry, of the message of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, that his poetry is most relevant till today. And even when we open his message, the name of his poetry collection is Risalo, Shah Jo Risalo, the Risalo of Shah Latif, and Risalo word means message. So his poetry is message, and you open his Risalo from anywhere, you start reciting his poetry, you would find every of his line most relevant with these times also. And this is the magic of the poetry of Shah Latif, because he could foresee the future situation, and he not only taught us the values of humanity, but also the times to come, what would be the tragedies of times to come, and what would be the beauty of times to come, he explained. And that's why his poetry is most relevant as per these times also. So listeners, in today's show, all the items are chosen from the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, and after listening the voice of Faqir Abdul Ghafoor, you would listen the voices of Singar Ali Salim, Ghulam Nabi Murai, Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, Sanam Marwi, Abida Parveen, Muhammad Yusuf, Gulzar Ali Khan, Rubina Qureshi, Muhammad Jumman, and Allan Faqir. And these all will be singing the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, which we have chosen from various chapters, surs, melodies of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. Sharing with you the contents of today's program, I would be reading a passage from H.T. Sorle's Shah Abdul Latif of Bhit. As I told you in my previous shows that this was the very first introduction to Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai by a German scholar, H.T. Sorle. I would be reading a passage from his that very book after a while. So let's listen to the voice of Singar Ali Salim and of course the message of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai.
अजनायो ताकुन में संधी जोगिन रात सारी दे सामन के रुनम सारी रात तन जैजी तात सित लाहूती लॾे वया आयलड़ी मुंहिंजो भेनरड़ी मुंहिंजो लिखियो लाहूती सां जो बि ॿिया बि घणा हुआ जो बि ॿिया बि घणा
So, listeners, this was Singar Ali Salim. Basically, originally not a Sindhi speaking singer, but he lived in a beautiful historic town of Rodi near Sakkar, and he used to speak Sindhi language as good as a person who speaks Sindhi as his mother tongue. He also wrote some spiritual poetry in the praise of Hazrat Ali Karamullah Wajho and Ahle Bayt, and also he sang many songs. So he was just reciting this Vai, a genre of the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, which was from the melody of Ramkali from Sur Ramkali, which said, "There are numerous pious individuals all around, but my within seeks for you only, as it has found itself in you." You are listening to Indus Melodies, the weekly English show of Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is me, Yasir Qazi, with you, and we are paying a tribute to Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, the greatest poet of Sindh, on his 277th demise anniversary, which is called Urs Celebration, and which is celebrated on and around the rest place of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, and he rests at Bhitsha. Bhitsha is a small town of Matiari district near Hyderabad, and this is on a distance of around 45 to 50 kilometers from Hyderabad city, and once it used to be in district Hyderabad, but nowadays it is in district Matiari. This is near Hala, a traditional city, a cultural city, and the city of poets near Indus River. So Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai rests in Bhitsha, and these Urs celebrations, various proceedings of Urs celebrations are celebrated in Bhitsha, which is a small town, but it is filled with a lot of people from all over Sindh and even from out of Sindh during these 3 days, 14th, 15th and 16th of Safarul Muzaffar. Yesterday, the Sajjada Nashin of Shah Latif's seat, Sayyid Waqar Hussain Shah Latifi, inaugurated the simple proceedings of Urs Mubarak by laying a chadar on the grave of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. This year, as I told you, that government of Sindh has cancelled all its celebrations and all its proceedings of Urs Mubarak except one tomorrow on the third day of Urs celebrations, which is Latif Award distribution ceremony and the book launch of some of the books which are being published by the Press and Publication Department of Culture, Tourism and Antiquities, Government of Sindh, which also includes the selections from Arabic translation of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai's poetry and selections from almost 80% Persian translation of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai's Message Shahjo Risalo, which would be carried out tomorrow in HT Soleh Hall, Excellence Center at Bhitsha, and CM Sindh Sayyid Murad Ali Shah is expected to chair this session. So, Ghulam Nabi Morai with Diba Kamal sings a melody from one of the surs of Saswi. Let's listen to this melody, and after listening to this, I will share with you the translation of these lyrics. Let's listen to this beautiful vibe.
तो जुड़ पाया मता लगे लुक जंडी पायो जान में दरिया बैठी दुख मानू लेके बुक मानू लेके बुक मुके सिकत सजन यार जी
पेच पुनल मुसफाए जी हलो व्यो वला खे बुधाया हालड़ी जे खे बुधाया हालड़ी जे पेच पुनल मुसफाए जी हलो
छॾे हलियाऊं लथो कमु के चिन जो बिंदुर जीअं वाट ते वेठी गोंदियां भूं अलवाही तूं मूंसां हो तन काहरी कई साते ही मतवानी खान बरोच जी उजत हो तपुम सामू कमीणीअ के ही पूजा पाइन पेर में तह जुतिय नाव जे विसारे वेही तिनके चिनखे कीअं रहां सिकी जा सुतिया सिता सिक सुमण न दिए जागी जुजस जिन से आया तान उथियास बेनर आ बुलियास न त सिक सुमण चा लगे
चल खे कान्हे कान कान्हे कान कतल जी सचल खे आतन यार जाए जी हरियो वियो वॾा की खे ॿुधाया आलड़ी जे
अखड़न पे पाण सां पाण ही गई ते वञी अड़ियूं जिते जान खपत
So, listeners, this was the expression of pain of Sasui, one of the heroines of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, one of the female characters of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, which is considered to be a symbol of bravery, not only bravery, but also the continuous effort and sacrifice, which said by Sasui, these are the words by Sasui, as expressed by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, that my Punhu, my Punhal, my Koiharu from Kech came, made me fall in his love, and then went away forever. Now no one is around me with whom I may share my grief, the sorrow which his love has bestowed me. You are listening to Indus Melodies live from Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and let me share with you that Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai has composed poetry in Sindhi language only. He has not composed his poetry in any other language, and remember, this was the era when Persian language was the greatest language of the subcontinent, and it was spoken all over the subcontinent. It was the official language, it was taught in schools, it was taught in madrasas, and it was mandatory for every student to learn not only Persian but also Arabic, being the language of Quran Pak and being a religious language. So every folk from this region was very much known to Persian and Arabic, and in that era Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai came with a revolution by composing pure Sindhi poetry, and it was a magic that he composed poetry in two genres only. There are only two poetic genres in which he has composed poetry. One is Baith, which is a short genre consisting of 2 lines to 3 lines to 4 lines to 5 lines, but Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai has composed some of the abiyat, some of the baiths. Abiyat is the plural of baith of 12 lines also. So from minimum 2 lines to 12 lines he have composed many verses, but most of his abiyat, most of his baith, most of his verses are consisting of 3 lines, 3-liner verses, and the second genre is Vai. He has composed Vai, and let me share with you that before Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, it was Mion Shah Karim Rizvi from Tandolayar, from Nasarpur near Tandolayar, who was the pioneer of Vai, but it was Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai who brought Vai to a height which is a tremendous height, and he gave Vai a glory which is still written with the same glory as Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai gave this new life to Vai. So he is the poet of two genres, Baith and Vai, but he changed the Sindhi poetic traditions. Therefore, he shined as the son of Sindhi poetry, as the son of Sindhi literature, which shined during Kalhoda period. Let me share with you, if we count the number of abiyat, if we count the number of verses composed by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, the number of his verses is about 3,000 verses, 3,000 abiyat, and about 500 to 700 vais there are. But various compilers, various scholars have given the different multiple number of his verses and vais. So we cannot say the final figure, but he has composed around 3,000 abiyat and around 700 vais. Let's listen to Rahat Fateh Ali Khan and Sanam Marvi singing a Vai, a melody from Sur Marvi of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai.
मारू रहा पोए हे फतनी के होए वतन जनी विसारियो जी लती परिचन शाल पवार ढोला मारू मुसा परिचन शाल पवार परिचन शाल पवार ढोला मारू मुसा परिचन शाल पवार ओ परिचन शाल हो परिचन शाल पवार ढोला मारू मुसा परिचन शाल पवार परिचन शाल पवार ढोला मारू मुसा परिचन शाल पवार
ओ परिचन शाल पवार ढोला मारू मुसा परिचन शाल पवार ओ परिचन शाल पवार ढोला मारू मुसा परिचन शाल पवार ओ परिचन शाल पवार ढोला मारू मुसा परिचन शाल पवार ओ परिचन शाल पवार ढोला मारू मुसा परिचन शाल पवार परिचन शाल पवार ढोला मारू मुसा परिचन शाल पवार परिचन शाल पवार ढोला मारू मुसा परिचन शाल जिसका पीसा खाए हो जिलती
शाल पवार ढोला मारू मुसा परिचन परिचनशाल पवार
परिचनशाल पवार ढोला मारू मुसा परिचनशाल पवार परिचनशाल पवार ढोला मारू मुसा
So, listeners, we were listening to the voices of Sanam Mari and Rahat Fateh Ali Khan singing the melody of Mari, Sur Mari, a wife from Sur Mari, which said, "When I'll go back," I mean, Mari expresses that when I'll go back to my family after completing the punishment of being in the palace of Umar Sumro, I pray they, I mean my relatives, may believe my sanctity and may they content with me and my holiness. This was a melody from Sur Mari, and I don't know why the producer of the song made Rahat Fateh Ali Khan sing the poetry, the dohas of Kabira Bhagat, which are entirely irrelevant to the message of this wife from Mari, like Duniya Badi Bamri, Patthar Pujan Jaye, Ghar Ki Chakki Koi Na Pooje, Jiska Pisa Khaye. Nobody is worshipping the stone which grinds the floor which lays in your house, but everybody goes to the worship places to worship stones, to worship sculptures made of stones, but nobody is worshipping the stone laid in their houses, at their residences. I don't know what the relevance of such type of dohas with this vibe, and this is purely irrelevant and shows the lack of knowledge of the producer of the song who made Rahat Fateh Ali Khan sing these dohas. Instead of that, he would have made him sing the Urdu translation of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai from the same melody, Mari, and that could be tremendous to sing these verses from the same melody. Anyways, you are listening to Indus Melodies, the weekly English show of Radio Voice of Sindh London. This is me, Yasir Qazi, with you, and this show is being produced as a tribute to Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, the greatest poet of Sindh, on his 277th annual Urs celebrations, which are being celebrated every year during the second Hijra month, which is Safar al-Muzaffar, on 14th, 15th and 16th of Safar. Indus Melodies is produced at 3 p.m. 3 o'clock as per Pakistan Standard Time every Saturday. But apart from this show, you can listen me twice a week in my disc jockey breakfast morning show, which is Suraj Shakhon Kadiyun. The sun has spread its rays on the earth, which is being broadcasted every Tuesday and Friday. So yesterday we broadcasted its 10th program, which was also dedicated to Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai on the first day of his Urs, and we paid tribute to Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai in our yesterday's show also. In a while, I'll be reading a passage from H.T. Sorley's Shah Abdul Latif of Bhit, and this book was the very first exclusive and comprehensive introduction to Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai for the dwellers of this land, for the indigenous people even, which was gifted to us by a German scholar, H.T. Sorley. Right now, we are moving towards a melody from Sur Sorat Rai Diach. Sorat and Rai Diach are actually characters of this tale, but the story revolves around Bijal, the musician, and we started today's show from this melody by Faqir Abdul Ghafoor. In this very vai, which is sung by Abida Parveen says, Rai Diach, the king has sacrificed his soul to the musician Bijal. May this ransom be esteemed and appreciated. Let's listen to this melody of Shah Abdul Latif by Abida.
दिया सिर साहिब ता संत को दिनो राय रिया जमिया अल्लाह जी आस करे हलियो ही आई चारण बधा चंग खे झूड़ा ऐं झाई डोली राय दिया जी डोली राय दिया जी दूरा डिठाई विनती वाहिद दर तह दम कयाई ओ सबा जा साई ओ सबा जा साई राओरी झाई रागसी परदेसा पंध करे परदेसा पंध करे हली आयो हित जॉज को भोजित सिरहूं सदाऊं हणे परदेसा पंध करे परदेसा पंध करे सुनी आयुस शान मंगा केहड़िया मत सी निसोरो नादान सो को ड्यारी डान जो तमाखे तरुप करे दिनो राय दिया जमिया दिनो राय दिया जमिया ही सिर साहिब ता संत को दिनो राय दिया जमिया कहाँ जो कुमाचसी सो सुन सबाझे कन जा मंगा मुझे मन जा मंगा मुझे मन सातों के मालूम सबका जाज को जूनागढ़ में जाज को जूनागढ़ में को अताई आयो तह कामिल कधी की न रोवे ही बजायो शहर सजोई सुरसी शहर सजोई सुरसी तंदुन तपायो दायूं दर मांदियूं क्यों बायन बाडायो डीजल बोलायो डीजल बोलायो त आया सोली सिर जो संत को इनो राय दिया चमिया सदा गरीबों न गुजरे तो मारे मीरा मला नायो नाबल जा सोयो कढ़े सा खालिक संझ सुबह को न छड़ी दो किथे मोटी मंगण हार मोटी मंगण हार शालम अची कॾहिं मोटी मंगण हार शालम अची कॾहिं अठई पहर अजल जो कुंभो मंझ कपार जह तो सब जमार जह तो सब जमार हयो छटपटन सी महले आयो मंगणो महले आयो मंगणो साधु खणी सुरंदो सिर जी सदा सुर में घूर हणी घुरंदो सिर जी सदा सुर में सिर जी सदा सुर में घूर हणी घुरंदो मथरिया मलूक जे चारण चुरंदो जूनागढ़ झुरंदो झुरंदो जूनागढ़ झुरंदो पवंदी झांय झरोक में छॾे हलियो हितहीं छॾे हलियो हितहीं राणियूं पंहिंजा राज मियां छॾे हलियो हितहीं छॾे हलियो हितहीं राणियूं पंहिंजा राज मियां हो राणियूं राज मियां ही सिरो साहिबता महले महले आयो मंगणो खणी साजुसरी लगी तंद तुम्बीर जी पया कोट किरी लगी तंद तुम्बीर जी पया कोट किरी हंधे मागे हुई थी तुझी भी जलदा बुरी जूनागढ़ झुरी झुरी जूनागढ़ झुरी पवंदी झाए झरोक में दातार ऐं मंगणी को न वसीलो विच दातार दातार ऐं मंगणे को न वसीलो विच साई ताल तंदुन जी साई चारण चित जे हुते जे हित जे हुते जे हित त ॻाल्हि मिड़ाई हे कड़ी मथे उते मथे उते मुंहिंजे जे हुआ सिरल सवादार मथे उते मुंहिंजे मथे उते मुंहिंजे जे हुआ सिरल सवादार त तुंहिंजी तंद तवार हर हर वढम हे कड़ो मथे उते मुंहिंजे जे कोड़े हूण कबार मथे उते मुंहिंजे मथे उते मुंहिंजे मथे उते मुंहिंजे जे कोड़ी हूण कपार तवारियो वारियो वढिया सिसीअ खे सावार त पुण तंद तवार मुंहां मथां हो मंगणा सौ सिरल पाए जे तंद बराबर तोरियां सौ सिरल पाए जे तंद बराबर तोरियां उटलो डाही थिए जेढ़ा बीजल बुराए सखणो हड आहे सखणो हड आहे सिर में सञण नाहे के ओ मियां दिनो राय दिया जमिया दिनो राय दिया जमिया इस साहिबता संग को दिनो राय दिया जमिया ओ दिनो राय दिया जमिया
So, listeners, you were listening this melody from Surat Rai Diyaj, Sur Surat Rai Diyaj, the melody of Surat and Rai Diyaj. Actually, the melody of Bijal, which is the central character of this very melody, this chapter. You are listening to Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. This is me, Yasir Kazi, with you, and I have in my hand Shah Abdul Latif of Bhit by H.T. Sorle, which is reproduced for the several times, and I have in my hand the latest edition of Shah Abdul Latif of Bhit, published by Culture and Tourism Department, Government of Sindh in 2017. Before I read a passage from it's one of the chapters, let me share with you some of the lines which in shape of verse are shared by H.T. Sorle, which he has written out of the love of this land and the people of this land, the anthros of this land, the folks from Sindh. This is published on very starting pages, and the title of this passage, this poem, is dedicated to the people of Sindh. Remember that he writes Sindh without H throughout this book, S-I-N-D. So he writes dedicated to people of Sindh, Sindh. O friendly folk, with whom I have lived, and felt the best of violent sun, and heard sharp argument and seen how Indus waters errant run. No chronicle of kings and wars, your lovely hamlet bard unfolds the wonder of his melodies. Enthralled a rustic people holds. Gone are the days when tempered blade and matchlocks fire laid west your fields. The drums of peacefulness are struck. Your land a full abundance yields. So now, to contemplative mind, is Sayyid door a nobler key for opening wide the door of God that leads to God's great mystery. No might is here if Rumi's verse, no Jamal's soul rapt music swings, no high-tuned note of Hafiz wit within your humble ministerial rings, and yet strange paradox it be, that not less searching is the calm, the simple magic of his lays, than wise, deep utterance of Islam. So folks, this was a piece titled dedicated to the people of Sindh, which he has written out of love of the people of this land. This is published on page number 15 of this book, Shah Abdul Latif of Bhit. And now I'm taking you to page number 174 of this book, which is about Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. In this very chapter, H.T. Sorle discusses about the formal or informal education of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, and in this regard, what he feels, he writes, quote, "How far Shah Abdul Latif was an educated man has proved a great puzzle to scholars. The popular tradition is that he had no regular education but taught himself everything. Popular tradition in this respect is, however, unreliable. His poems show clearly an acquaintance with Arabic and Persian far beyond the ordinary accomplishments of his time. It is certain that he was familiar with the work of Jalaluddin Rumi. Indeed, it is related that Nur Muhammad Kalhodo, from whom he has become estranged, won back the poet's favor by presenting him with a fine copy of Masnavi. An imposing tomb was built for his body by Ghulam Shah Kalhodo in 1754. According to tradition, in the year that Nur Muhammad Kalhodo died, Leela Ram Vatanmal states that the Quran, the Masnavi of Jalaluddin Rumi, and the Sindh verses of Shah Karim were always in the poet's hands. If there is any truth in this story, and there probably is some, it would dispose the assertion that the power was not a well-educated man. The mystical form of his poetry could never have been achieved without a deep and sympathetic understanding of the mystical development of Islam that came to India through the work of the great Persian poets. Thus, whatever the facts of Shah Abdul Latif's education may have been, and it is the typical conceit of hero worship to pretend that knowledge came to him as a sort of a special revelation. It is clear that his education was neither superficial nor contemptible. Tradition says that he did not write his poems at all, but that they were collected and transcribed by amanuenses. This passes the bounds of credibility. The poems were certainly later collated by scribes and formed into a regular collection which exists in several manuscript forms. The amanuenses, whose help was invoked to record the poems as delivered, were named Tamar and Hashim. A great friend of the poet was called Bilal. Another was called Inayat, himself a poet, some of whose verses are inserted or quoted in the Risalo as it exists today. There is no doubt that these men, or others like them, did form the poems into a kind of anthology, but oral tradition has exaggerated into a sort of miracle that was merely a finally skillful piece of literary editing." Unquote. So listeners, I was quoting this piece from Shah Abdul Latif of Bit by H.T. Sorley from page number 174, mid of 174 to the start of 175, which quoted about the formal education of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, or otherwise, because most of the scholars are agreed on this point that he did not get a formal education, but it can't be said that he did not know to write and speak Persian or Sindhi or Arabic, because many of his verses contain the references from ayah of Quran Pak, and also as per traditions, not only traditions but also some evidences of manuscripts he used to make correspondence in Persian with Makhdum Muhammad Muin Tatwi, a great spiritual scholar from Tata, who is also called Miotaro. He was one of his close friends, and as per tradition, Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai was the one who was there in the Janaza prayers of Makhdum Muhammad Muin Tatwi. He was not only there, but he laid that Janaza prayers as the Imam of that prayer. So there are evidences, there are manuscripts in which there is proven correspondence between these two scholars. So no doubt Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai was a scholar, and he was at home in Persian, Sindhi and Arabic. Let me take you to a melody by Ustad Muhammad Yusuf, and Shah Latif says in this melody that they have taken away my being and my entire attention with the magic, and now I am living on their aspiration. Let's listen to this melody in Indus Melodies.
दिल बर हिकिड़ो बेली घणा ताल कजन दिल बि ॾिजे हिकिड़े खे तोड़े सव सधू कन ओ सचल विला चजल जेके दर दर लोन दोस्ती ओ म्या ओ जादू लावम जी हमें जादू लावम जी हमें जादू लावम जी हमें मुखे अदू भेनरू अजड़े यारू हो जादू लावम जी हमें उभरो ॾींहुं दुखल जो उभरो ॾींहुं दुखल जो उभरो ॾींहुं दुखल जो सुरल संदोस जीव जा ओ जादू लागम जी हमें जादू लागम जी हमें जादू लागम जी हमें
मूंखे अधूं भेनरू अजोड़े यारू जादू लाग मुझी में कंदे थियड़ मिसाल तो सिकन लाथी सुपरी अची हूं दहमल चै करे भलायूं भाल ही मुल्क मॾियूं सभु माल हूं दस रसूधो सदके कर औखो पंध पहाड़ जो औखो पंध पहाड़ जो पेरे कादी पुजवो यार जादू लाग मुझी में जादू लाग मुझी में मूंखे अधूं भेनरू अजोड़े यारू जादू लाग मुझी में जादू लाग मुझी में जादू लाग मुझी में पखा पखन सामड़ा पखा पखन सामड़ा और बची रदवो यार जादू लाग मुझी में जादू लाग मुझी में मूंखे अधूं भेनरू अजोड़े यारू जादू लाग मुझी में जादू लाग मुझी में अदियूं शाह लतीफ चै मुर्शिद घोट लतीफ चै गोली नहीं गदवो यार जादू लाग मुझी में ओ जादू लाग मुझी में अदियूं भेनरू अजोड़े यार जादू लाग मुझी में जादू लाग मुझी में जादू लाग मुझी में मूंखे अधूं भेनरू अजोड़े यार जादू लाग मुझी में जादू लाग
Folks, we were listening to the voice of Ustad Muhammad Yusuf, and you're listening to Indus Melodies live from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. This is me, Yasir Qazi, with you, and this show is being broadcasted, being produced as a special edition, as a tribute to Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai on his 277th Urs celebration. This is Safar 15th, and this is the second day of annual Urs celebration of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. I'm taking you to a melody from Sur Asa, from the melody of Asa, which is the melody of worship, in which worshippers and the seekers, how do they bow their head before Almighty Allah, and how do they pray, and how they should pray is extended through verses. Also, who are the real seekers? This is also explained, and some of the characteristics of a perfect person are also guided in this melody. Gulzar Ali Khan is singing this melody, saying, "Those are the grubby and old huts where I dwell and breath." Let's listen to this beautiful melody.
कि जो कहीं पार अखियों पसियाऊं छू दीवानू दिल में अपर लगुन यार तिहां पो करारू सुचूं की न सयद चे ऊंचे झूना पत जन झूठा ऊंचे झूना पत जन झूठा ये नहीं आहे अल्लाह ये नहीं आहे अल्लाह ऊंचे झूना पत जन झूठा ऊंचे झूना पत जन झूठा अखियाला उन तरसेई अखियाला चलखे कोन चिताएला मुझे ना पत जन मुझे ना पत जन ये नहीं मजे आएला नहीं मजे आएला मुझे ना पत जन झूठा मुझे ना पत जन झूठा पाण पिरिया से आएला मुझे ना पत जन मुझे ना पत जन ये उन्हें मजे आएला ये उन्हें मजे आएला मुझे ना पत जन मुझे ना पत जन खिदमत करे फुल कसियला पांतु गिचिया में पाएला मुझे ना पत जन झूठा मुझे ना पत जन झूठा ये नहीं मजे आएला ये नहीं मजे आएला
ऊंचे ना पतन ना पतन बचे जमाल या नैनहाल चनी दिल पर देखियो अतियूं शाह लतीफ चैमिया लालू लालू लतीफ चैला तिहाई की ताही की आहे अला पतन की नहीं मची
Folks, we were listening the voice of Gulzar Ali Khan, and you're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London. This is a special edition of Indus Melodies dedicated to Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, and we are listening the melodies of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai and getting a new spit of his love, and not only of his love but his love for the people, for the humanity, for the peace, because his message was peace for all the globe. Rubina Qureshi, called Bulbul-e-Sindh, the Nightingale of Sindh, sings the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai.
लोक ॾिठे न लेला अल्लाह यार सजान तेरा कौन मारी यार सजान तेरा कौन मारी यार सजान तेरा कौन खास सूरत हम अलो मुखे साईं जो सौगंध मुंहिंजो साजन सभिनिया सुहिणो ओला जाते काते महबूबन ते आहे हुस्न जी हाक अलाला जाते काते महबूबन ते आहे हुस्न जी हाक अलाला यार सजन तेरा गाँव मारी यार सजन तेरा गाँव मारी यार सजन तेरा जान कयाऊं नाज़ नज़र त सूरज शाखूं झकियूं घुमाणो कमर तारा कतियूं ताए बसिया देखींदे दिलबर अलो झको थियो जो है मुंहिंजे जानिब जे जमाल ते ओला अब्दुल लतीफ जे पहिरीं असांजो हमेशा हुस्ना लाला अब्दुल लतीफ जे पहिरीं असांजो हमेशा हुस्ना लाला यार सजन मेरा गाँव मारी यार सजन मेरा गाँव मारी यार सजन मेरा गाँव मारी यार सजन मेरा
So, folks, this was Rubina Qureshi singing the melody of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, and this very Vai, Yar Sajan Je Firako Mari, is sung by numerous, by several singers of this land, and they have sung it in their own styles, various male and female voices and vocalists, and they have tremendously sung this Vai. And there are certain Vais which are sung in several voices, in multiple voices, and this was also one of those Vais, one of those melodies. You are listening to Indus Melodies live from Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and this is me, Asir Kazi, with you. As I told my listeners in my Sindhi program last week, that on October 1st, I completed 25 years, the quarter century in the field of broadcasting, radio broadcasting, and this is a coincidence that I started my career of television broadcast on the same date, which is October 1st. So on October 1st, day before yesterday, I completed 25 years of radio broadcasting and 18 years of television broadcasting. I hosted the very first professional radio show on October 1st, 1995, which was called Ruh Rehan. It was in Sindhi and it was broadcasted from Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation, Ladkana, Radio Pakistan Ladkana in 1995. And as a professional TV compere, I hosted my very first TV show with the name of Mahfil. Indeed, it was the opening transmission of the first ever satellite Sindhi channel KTN Kavish Television Network. I announced as the debut compere of that very TV channel. I opened the transmission of KTN as the first compere, and then I hosted the first show, which was titled Mahfil, and it was also in Sindhi. I would love to share some of the memories, some of the flashbacks of my career during any of the shows of the next weeks. In any case, if you are interested to hear about that, you can listen to these memories and flashbacks during my Sindhi shows next week. So let me take you to a beautiful melody, one of the popular melodies of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, composed and sung by Ustad Muhammad Jumman. Ustad Muhammad Jumman was a great artist of this land whose melodies are still sung, whose melody for a Sindhi song is also sung by Lata Mangeshkar, Moja Sapri Tokha Vichhadi Mujhe Dil Cha Kare, which I broadcasted 2 weeks back. And also he was the person who composed more than 300 melodies from the indigenous ragas of Sindh. And as far as the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai is concerned, he composed hundreds of his tunes in the original ragas on which the surs, the melodies, the chapters of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai are based. In this forthcoming Vai, Ustad Muhammad Jumman is giving melody to the pain of Saswi, one of the heroines of characters of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. Saswi says that I tried my best to ask him to come back. I mean to ask Punhu to come back, but my Punhu, my Hoth, my Koharo never came back, says Saswi. Let's listen to this melody.
कारूं वस कया में कारूं वस कया कारूं वस कया में कारूं वस कया कारूं वस कया मेरी है लगे दूरिया मुझो हो तुम मोतियो वस कया मैं कारूं वस कया कारूं वस कया मैं कारूं वस कया मैं कारूं वस कया मेरी है लगे दूरिया मुझो हो तुम मोतियो कारूं वस कया मैं कारूं वस कया कारूं वस कया मैं कारूं वस कया बंधन बारो जो पीघे मंचतिया मेरी बंधन बारो जो पीघे मंचतिया मेरी मुझो हो तुम मोतियो कारूं वस कया मैं कारूं वस कया कारूं वस कया मैं कारूं वस कया कारूं वस कया मेरी है लगे दूर विया मुझो हो तुम मोतियो कारूं वस कया मैं कारूं वस कया कारूं वस कयाम करूं वस कयाम सुपिरी सुपिरी तूं वञ मां अगाहूं थकी खणी थरनि में बाकारियो बाहूं दर्द जूं बाहूं 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 दर्द जूं बाहूं मारी जूं मौत तूं ओ कई कासिद के चदे मोबन लाज मुटिया मिली कई कासिद के चदे मोबन लाज मुटिया मिली मुझो होत मोटियो वस कयाम वस करूं वस कयाम वस कयाम कारूं वस कयाम मिड़ी है लगे दूर विया मुझो हो तुम मोतियो कारूं वस कयाम कारूं वस कयाम कारूं वस कयाम अदियूं शाह लतीफ चवे लालू लतीफ चवे आयानी ईदामिड़ी मुर्शिद घोट लतीफ चवे आयानी ईदामिड़ी मुझो होत मोतियो कारूं वस कयाम 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 मिड़ी है लगे दूर विया मुझो होत मोतियो कारूं वस कयाम कारूं वस कयाम कारूं वस कयाम कारूं वस कयाम
Listeners, we were listening to the beautiful melody by Ustad Muhammad Juman, composed and sung by, presented by Ustad Muhammad Juman. And this is the time to wrap up my show. But before I wrap up my show, let me share with you, as I told you, that the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai is based on music, and all the chapters start with the word sur, which means melody. So it means every sur, every chapter is based on a raga from this land, from one of the indigenous ragas. The shrine of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai is the only shrine all over the world where his style of music is still sung and presented twice a day, once in day and once in night. That is live. Would you believe that is live? Yes. From 11 a.m. till Zuhr prayers, this is a journey of about 2 hours. There is a group of fakirs, singers singing, wearing black dresses, sing the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai on the instrument which was invented by him, that is called tamburo or damburo or dambura or tambura, and they play this instrument and sing some of his poetry from various chapters. And at night, after Isha prayers, after the last prayer of the day, they sit new group which is assigned every day. There's a roster of the groups of faqirs who sing on the dargah, on the shrine of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, without any cost, without any charges, without any money. And they teach their children the style of singing of Shahjurag. That is a style, that is a genre of singing that is particularly known as Shahjurag, the music of Shah. And at night, after Shah prayers till Fajr prayers, the very first prayer of the day, they sing whole night and they sing various chapters from the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. May it be rain, may it be summers, may it be winters, they keep singing, whether there is someone to listen to it or not. But usually during night there are dozens of hundreds of people all around the shrine who listen to this music. They sit in the central courtyard of the dargah, in front of dargah, but the sound system of the shrine disseminates these voices all over the shrine. Wherever you sit, you can listen to this music and message. So let me complete this show with a melody from Mumal Rano, and this is a tradition of our functions, of our gatherings, that we conclude with Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai's melody of Mumal Rano, which is always the last item of every gathering, And Alan Fakir is singing Mumal Rano, saying that this message says, I don't know for what reason my Rano, my Mendharo, has turned away from me and has converted his conduct towards me. So with this melody, I'm going to wrap up the show. If you want to extend your feedback about this very show and about Suraj Shakhun Kadhiyu, you can extend your feedback through my email, which is djyasirqazi, djyasirqazi, or fmwyq@gmail.com. If you want to like my Facebook fan page, that is facebook.com/djyasirqazi, djyasirqazi, and you can extend your feedback. If you want to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is with the name of Yasir Qazi, YSIRQAZI, and you can press the bell icon for continuous notifications. My Twitter handle is @RJ Yasir Qazi, RJYSIRQAZI. May the message of Shah Abdul Latif be disseminated and live always. Ameen. With this bye, Yasir Qazi says you tata, bye bye, aloha, Sadaingad, and Allah Hafiz.
पाए तुराड़े तोरियां तम कुणत जो मट हण पारखू परखे पट अच खोड़े कना तू कातने अल्लाह अल्लाह ओम जरान लसो डलया ओला ओ ककोरी काक वह राणा भाई मरत हो ककोरी काक वह ए राणा भाई मरत हो सोढ़ाई शरबत ओन सोरोई नी अजो अल्लाह 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 ओम जरान ला सोडन यारो सरत्यूं अदाए सबब केड़े रुख मटायो राणी ढेनर अलाए सबब केड़े रुख मटायो राणी रुख मटायो राणी ओ अल्लाह तो कियाने ओ अल्लाह मौला अल्लाह तो कियाने सरत्यूं अलाए सबब केड़े रुख मटायो राणी ढेनर अलाए सबब केड़े रुख मटायो ज़ाहिर घायल सुतल आया ब्योल कब मां कोन लाया ज़ाहिर घायल सुतल आया ब्योल कब मां कोन ला ओ ब्योल कब मां कोन लाया ब्योल कब मां कोन लाया ज़ाहिर घायल सुतल आया ब्योल कब मां कोन लाया काकी जो वाली हो भाया इंदन अज सुभाणे काकी जो वाली हो भाया इंदन अज सुभाणे इंदन अज सुभाणे ओ अल्लाह तो के आए इंदन अज सुभाणे ओ मौला अल्लाह अल्लाह मौला तो के आए सरतूं अलाए सबब केड़े रुख मटायो राणी ढेनर अलाए सबब केड़े रुख मटायो अरे जम जा समूरा ओ वादा कंदो पंहिंजा पूरा अर्ज़म जा समूरा वादा अल्लाह वादा ओ वादा कंदो पंहिंजा पूरा अर्ज़म जा समूरा ओ वादा कंदो पंहिंजा पूरा अर्ज़म जा समूरा वादा कंदो पंहिंजा पूरा ओ वादा कंदो पंहिंजा पूरा मोहन मटी कॾहिं मुरा ॼाण सभई तूं ॼाणे मोहन मटी कॾहिं मुरा ॼाण सभई तूं ॼाणे ॼाण सभई तूं ॼाणे ओ अल्लाह तूं कीअं ॼाण सभई तूं ॼाणे ओ अल्लाह मौला अल्लाह तूं कीअं सचियूं लाइ सबब कहिड़े रुख मचायो हाणे हिनर लाइ सबब कहिड़े रुख मचायो हाणे माणी ऐं बलयाणी आया ख़रीदनाणे आऊं ने माणी ऐं बलयाणी आया ख़रीदनाणे ओ आया ख़रीदनाणे आऊं ने माणी ऐं बलयाणी आया ख़रीदनाणे आऊं ने माणी आऊं माणी ऐं बलयाणी आया ख़रीदनाणे मोलाई ईंदो मूं वटि पाणे तलब जे दुकाने मैं धरो ईंदो मूं वटि पाणे तलब जे दुकाने तलब जे दुकाने ओ अल्लाह तोखे आणे तलब जे दुकाने ओ मौला तोखे अल्लाह ओ मौला तोखे आणे सतूं लाइ सबब कहिड़े रुख मचायो हाणे हिनर लाइ सबब कहिड़े रुख मचायो हाणे आऊं ने माणी ऐं बलयाणी आया ख़रीदनाणे आऊं ने माणी ऐं बलयाणी आया ख़रीदनाणे ओ आया ख़रीदनाणे आऊं ने माणी ऐं बलयाणी आया ख़रीदनाणे आऊं ने माणी ऐं बलयाणी आया ख़रीदनाणे मैं धरो ईंदो मूं वटि पाणे तलब जे दुकाने मैं धरो ईंदो मूं वटि पाणे तलब जे दुकाने तलब जे दुकाने ओ अल्लाह तोखे आणे तलब जे दुकाने ओ मौला अल्लाह ओ मौला तोखे आणे सतूं लाइ सबब कहिड़े रुख
छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां ओ सिंध मुंहिंजी अमां
दुनिया जा सिंधियो हिक मुठ थी सिंध बचायो।
सिंध मुंहिंजी अमां सूंह तुंहिंजी अमां छा छा लिखी छा लिखां
सिंध जो क़ौमी आवाज़ रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन। रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन पंहिंजी नशरियात में सिंध जी सियासत, समाज, इक़्तिसादियात, तारीख़, क़ौमी उमंगुनि ऐं अख़लाक़ियात मुतलिक़ सिंध जी हक़ीक़ी तर्जुमानी कंदे प्रोग्रामनि खे असराइतो बणाइण लाइ सिंध जे घण घुरनि ऐं धरतीअ सां प्यार कंदड़ अदीबनि, दानिशवरनि, सहाफ़ियुनि, उस्तादनि, वकीलनि ऐं हर तबिके जे मानवारनि सजणनि खे सिंध में शऊरी इनकलाब लाइ सहकार जो सॾु ॾियूं था। अचो त गॾिजी सूफ़ियुनि ऐं संतनि वारी सिंध जो ओज हिकु मुठ थी वरी वापसि आणण वारे सफ़र जा साथारी बणिजऊं। हिकु नए सुबुह जी शुरूआत जो पड़ाॾो घर घर, ॻोठ ॻोठ ऐं शहर शहर ताईं पहुचायो। शाल सिंध आबाद ऐं ख़ुशहाल थिए, सिंधी माण्हू सुखियो ऐं सताबो थिए।